Now we have a rolling chassis, I need to focus on the engine. I thought the easiest way of working on the engine was to pull it into the frame first, and then I can remove the cylinders. Where's Lee, the engine carrier, when you need him? This engine is a pain in the... Oh, we have another Harley Davidson on the way too. I pulled the top end of the engine apart for a number of reasons. The outside of the cylinders need a deep clean, and they also need painting. The pushrod seals are leaking oil and they need replacing. I have new piston rings and head gaskets to fit, and I was just interested and wanted to have a nosy inside this motor. On closer inspection, this engine is in amazing condition. It's going to be such a shame to sell this motorcycle. We're all putting so much effort into this bike. I guess that's the downside to building custom motorcycles. I have a few more things left to do. Decide on a paint job, finish the wiring. Have I mentioned I don't like wiring? Get her running, and find her a good home.
But why should the fault of another be burdening me? Forget about balance, fairness, justice, rationality. If not our thoughts, what holds the key? What holds the key?
The whole bike is coming together nicely.
Is it us? Could it be that we can't?
The tank and headlight have been sent for paint. The wiring loom is almost done. No brake light yet.
At least not true.
There we go.
I have given you all that I can do. This is more than chance. The cosmic dance has other plans. Though we argue, we are guilty too. This is more than chance. The cosmic dance has other plans for me and you. The cosmic dance has other plans for me and you.
That's so 6.
Okay, so today I've been promised that the paint is ready. New ramp. I'm super happy with how this bike has turned out. Turn up the music. I've spent a total of 13 working days building this bike over a period of 6 weeks. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I couldn't have done it without all of the Mint Boys. Are you happy, Tom?
I'm always happy.
Good. Trying to sort out the back of the van so we can do some cool videos of the test ride.
Just strap us in.
I blew the dust off of one of my old race helmets.
Cool.
I don't know what cool is, obviously. The headlight has the speedo and ignition built into the back of it. It has a one-off bespoke made top yoke by Craig. Thanks mate. Laser cut Mint Customs metal plates where the reflectors used to be. Brembo top mount brakes. Twin shocks, twin pipes, and a built-in LED rear light and brake light. It's simple, but very lovable. BMW R45 Cafe Racer.
Oh my god, that is sick!
She's now got to go up for sale.
Bye!